Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest predictions making waves in the crypto world. Cathie Wood and ARK Invest believe Ethereum could hit a staggering $166,000 by 2030. That's right, 6 figures for ETH. But here's the real question. If XRP kept the same price ratio to Ethereum that it has right now, what could XRP be worth by 2030? Stick around because the math is surprising. Before we jump into the breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post regular updates on XRP, Ethereum, and the overall crypto market, especially covering the big moves like ETFs, institutional inflows, and long-term price predictions. Subscribing helps you stay ahead of the curve and not miss out when these opportunities happen. So let's start with where things are today. Ethereum is trading at around $4,051, and XRP is about $3.12. That means right now, Ethereum costs about 1,464 times more than XRP. If Ethereum really does hit $166,000 by 2030 and XRP kept the same ratio, that would put XRP at about $113 per token. That's over a 30x gain from current levels, without even assuming XRP outperforms. Now let's talk about the ETFs, because this is where the money really flows. Ethereum ETFs have already taken in massive inflows. In fact, BlackRock's Ethereum ETF alone recently saw a single-day inflow of $363 million, and across all Ethereum ETFs, there's now over $30 billion under management. That's institutional money flooding in, and it's just the beginning. What about XRP? Well, there's already talk of an XRP spot ETF, with some predictions estimating around $8 billion of inflows in the first year alone. On top of that, rumors suggest BlackRock could file for a Ripple XRP ETF as soon as 2026. Combine that with the SEC recently making it easier to list spot crypto ETFs on major exchanges like NASDAQ and NYSE, and you can see why institutions are preparing to open the floodgates. So let's imagine the scenarios. If Ethereum really does climb to $166,000 and XRP keeps pace, you're looking at around $110 to $120 per XRP. If XRP gains more traction, say through payment adoption, partnerships, or ETFs, the price could realistically push higher, maybe into the $150 to $300 range. On the flip side, if XRP lags behind Ethereum, or if regulation slows things down, we could see it more conservatively in the $60 to $80 range by 2030. Of course, this all depends on adoption, regulation, and macroeconomic conditions. But the key takeaway is this. ETFs are unlocking trillions of dollars in potential institutional capital, and that kind of money changes the game. For XRP, the approval of a US ETF could be the spark that finally brings it into the spotlight alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that's it for today's breakdown. If you found this useful, make sure to smash that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think XRP can hit triple digits by 2030? I'd love to hear your take. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.